New Hyundai Ioniq 7 electric SUV tests ahead of 2024 reveal. New, category-bending, electric SUV, set to arrive as a rival to the Volvo EX90. A pre-production prototype of the upcoming Hyundai Ioniq 7 has been pictured testing on public roads in Germany ahead of a launch next year. The electric SUV, which will share much of its underpinnings with the recently revealed Kia EV9, will arrive as the third car in the brand's futuristic lineup of electric cars. It will sit above the Ioniq 5 crossover and Ioniq 6 coupe to provide a long-range rival to the Volvo EX90. Despite much of the car's design being obscured by fabric, the Ioniq 7 clearly shares many characteristics with the Hyundai 7 concept, which was revealed and presented to the public in the US in 2021. Aspects derived from the concept are likely to include its large rear window, headlight details and wing mirrors, which are all on show in our set of images. Back in 2021, the Korean marque labeled the concept as a category-bending electric SUV, highlighting its aerodynamically optimized styling and extended wheelbase as departures from the design norms of conventionally fueled contemporaries. Given the Ioniq 7 and EV9 are both based on the Hyundai Kia EGMP platform, it's likely they both share the same powertrain setup. The EV9 is powered by a 99.8 kWh battery, offering 336 miles of range. Other markets get an entry-level car with a 76.1 kWh battery. It also features a choice of two powertrains, a rear-wheel drive setup with 200 brake horsepower and 258 pounds-ft of torque, and a 378 brake horsepower, 442 pounds-ft version, with dual motors and four-wheel drive. In its most powerful spec, the EV9 can hit 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.0 seconds. Previously reported that Hyundai planned, for its first 3 bespoke EVs, to have highly individualized styling, and indeed the 7 concept adopts a radically different silhouette, divergent from a typical SUV, according to the firm, and a raft of new design cues to mark it out, from both its rangemates and its fuel-burning forebears. Sitting atop Hyundai's EV-specific EGMP architecture, the Ioniq 7, like the 7 concept, will benefit from a flat floor, short overhangs and bonnet, and, at least on the concept, a 3,200 mm long wheelbase, roughly as long as that of even the largest version of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. These are all features that allow for a much more spacious cabin environment than offered by Hyundai's existing SUVs. On the 7 concept, a retractable joystick replaces the steering wheel, for example, and in place of a conventional dashboard, a sleek digital control panel spans the width of the cabin, an evolution of the setup shown in the Prophecy concept, while a huge OLED screen in the ceiling serves as a sort of virtual sunroof with customizable displays. With the front seats turned rearwards, the 7 is transformed into a mobile lounge, with ambient lighting supplied by distinctive, tube-shaped devices in the door panels, an inbuilt fridge and even dedicated shoe care compartments. Which of these, if any, will make it to production remains unclear, but Hyundai design boss Sang-Yup Lee said the 7 paves the way forward for what an SUV needs to become in the EV era, suggesting a similar ethos will be applied to production cars. Also representative of Hyundai's wider approach to sustainability is the bio-paint exterior finish, recycled interior materials and focus on hygiene. That's a little information that we can summarize. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share for other latest video updates. Thanks for watching.